in Chicago and Cheryl, Texas, and other states now bracing for those flooding rains.
Yes, Janae, dangerous flooding. That's been the big concern this weekend, and it's going to continue for millions here as we head through the next 36 to next few days as well. That flooding threat here, you can see the flood watch is in effect from Arizona all the way into Louisiana, where we're looking at several inches of rainfall from the monsoon rains that will be continuing here. And you can see that heavy rain for parts of north central Texas. We're talking Dallas to Shreveport. Some areas seeing in excess of 5 inches of rainfall, where some isolated spots could see 8+ inches. Flash flooding will be a big concern. Eva. Now we look at the rain forecast here, and it's just going to be torrential, heavy rain in many locations from Texas into Louisiana. Several inches of rain here expected. Drought-stricken Texas, some areas from Dallas over towards Shreveport. We're talking anywhere to 3 to 5+ inches of rainfall in the coming days. Flash flooding will be a big concern, and then this rain also tracking it as we look at the north and east, where we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain, and we do need it here in New England and the Northeast. That's a look across the country. Now check of your local forecast. Deep south, so we start you off here with a beautiful morning for you. Now we're continuing to watch the heavy monsoonal moisture here across parts of northern Texas. This continues over the next 24 to 36 hours, which means several inches of rain and flash flooding will be a big concern. But to note, that is monsoonal moisture. The tropics have been pretty quiet. We haven't had a named storm since July. We're looking at one of the longest stretches without a named storm. In fact, the only August without a tropical storm was 1997. We're still pretty quiet. No named storms on the maps right now, but we are monitoring a wave off the coast of Africa. 20% chance of development, but something that will continue to watch. No imminent threat to the U.S. of the tropics. That's a look across the country. Now check of your local weather.